3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, everyone. I'm excited to see you again for another fun-filled math adventure. Last time we explored the multiplication table of 2 using KB's awesome method. And guess what? Today we are taking it up a notch. We are going into the thrilling world of the 3 times table. Are you ready to become multiplication masters? Alright, let's get started. Just like before, we are using KB's table method. This method breaks down the multiplication table of 3 into 4 easy segments, so you can remember each part forever. Let's jump into our first segment. Here we go. Our first segment includes the number 3, 6, and 9. Let's say these magical numbers together. Ready, kids? 3, 6, 9. Fantastic. You are off to a great start. Now let's move on to the next segment where we add some double-digit numbers. Now it's time for our second segment. Here we have the double-digit numbers starting with 1. I mean 12, 15, and 18. Let's chant them together, kids. 12, 15, 18. Awesome job. See how we are just adding 3 each time. Multiplying by 3 really is that simple. Let's hop right over to the third segment. Welcome to our third segment. Get ready. We have 21, 24, and 27. Here, you're going to see that we are starting with 20. Alright, so let's say them together, kids. 21, 24, 27. You guys are doing amazing. You are almost there. Now, let's finish strong with our last segment. Our final segment is just as important. Here we go. 30, 33, 36. Let's count them together, kids. 30, 33, 36. Look at you, multiplication champs. You've learned the entire 3 times table. Now, let's do a quick recap of the whole 3 times table together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Awesome! It is time to put our new multiplication skills into action. Here are 12 counters. If I ask what is 3 multiplied by 4, you will set aside 4 counters. As you do that, recite the KB multiplication table of 3. Alright, so let's do that together. 3, 6, 9, 12. What did you find at the end, kids? 12. Exactly. 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's do 2 more examples together. What is 3 multiplied by 5? Ready? Let's count together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. How many do you have, kids? 15. That's right. 3 times 5 equals 15. Okay, last one before I challenge you. What is 3 multiplied by 6? Let's count together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How many do we have? 18. Spot on. You are nailing this. Now, it's your turn. What is 3 times 7? Set aside 7 counters, recite the multiplication table, and see what you get. Don't forget to drop your answers in the comments below. Today's shout out will go to Abdurrahman and Khadija in Abuja and Abdurrahman and Fatima in Kano State. If you want me to give you a special shout out in the next lesson, be sure to include your name with your answer. If you enjoyed learning today, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math adventures. Let's spread the joy of math together. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Ma'as salam.